Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the Amazfit Active 2, the smartwatch that delivers an outsized bang for your buck. If you've ever wondered what to buy when you want basic fitness tracking without the premium price tag of brands like Apple, Samsung, Garmin, or Google, then this review is for you. Many of you ask, what should I get if I don't want a high-end smartwatch but still need reliable health tracking? After suggesting budget fitness bands or even smart rings, I found that most people secretly want a proper smartwatch, one that combines simplicity with functionality, and a retro charm reminiscent of the classic Pebble or a stylish Casio at a fraction of the cost. The Amazfit Active 2 starts at just $99.99, and for only $30 more, you can upgrade to the premium version with a genuine leather strap and a durable sapphire crystal lens. This device features a brilliant 2000-nit OLED touch display that brings your data to life, upgraded health sensors that provide accurate heart rate, sleep, and stress monitoring, and innovative sleep and heart rate algorithms that ensure precise tracking. It even comes with offline maps and the Zepp Flow AI assistant to give you comprehensive fitness and health insights on the go. Additionally, the Zepp Coach feature offers personalized training plans, while a mini app from Wild.ai provides tailored diet and workout recommendations based on your hormonal and menstrual cycles, making this smartwatch an all-in-one wellness companion. While it doesn't include dual-frequency GPS, it does offer built-in GPS with access to 5 satellite systems, the next best thing for outdoor enthusiasts. For users in Europe, the addition of NFC payments further enhances its practicality, though this feature remains untested in my region. In my personal experience at CES, the Active 2 impressed with its stylish watch face and premium feel that belied its modest price, garnering compliments from colleagues and passers-by alike. Despite minor drawbacks such as finicky touchscreen responsiveness and occasional voice command issues, the Amazfit Active 2 stands out with its long battery life, up to 10 days on a single charge, and its lightweight design, weighing just 29.5 grams in the standard version. Its design is sleek and minimalist, making it a versatile accessory that pairs well with any outfit, whether you're working out or heading to a casual outing. While it may not compete with high-end models in terms of raw performance or extensive app ecosystems, it is a phenomenal choice for those who value efficiency, durability, and an elegant design at an unbeatable price. Overall, the Amazfit Active 2 delivers solid performance and robust features that make it a worthy alternative for anyone seeking a reliable, budget-friendly fitness smartwatch. Thank you for watching this review on TechVerse, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest, in-depth tech reviews and updates. Stay tuned to TechVerse for more.